Continuing with the learning of AutoCAD, in this class we will trace the base of the set of a gramigno, using the tool to create rectangles. We will also learn how to create polygons. To begin with, we create a new document and we will activate the rectangle creation command, present in the Draw panel of the Home tab. After activating the command, we specify the starting point, which will be the source point of the coordinate system. Now, to complete the geometry, we type the coordinates 100,24 and press Enter. Look at the created rectangle. Let's re-enable this command to study some of the options made available before setting the first point. If we choose chamfer or fillet, we can enter a chamfer or rounding value for the edges of the rectangle that will be created. Specify the first point of the rectangle, we have the option area, which allows you to inform the area of the rectangle to be created and then a dimension of length or a width of the rectangle. We can also specify a rotation angle for the rectangle by choosing the option Rotation. Finally, we have the option Dimensions, where we specify the width and length of the rectangle. Let us now learn how to create polygons, with the command that is accessed by clicking the arrow next to the rectangle command. After activating the command, you are prompted for the number of sides the polygon will have. We set 5 sides and confirm with an Enter. Now we click on a point in the graphic area to define the center of the polygon. In this step we define how the polygon will be created, whether it will be traced inside or outside an imaginary circumference. We will choose the inscribed method, which creates the polygon inside the circumference, in this menu that is displayed next to the cursor. We finish the insertion specifying the radius of the imaginary circumference, which here will be 30. We confirmed with an Enter to insert the polygon into the graphic area. And so we ended this class, where we learned how to insert rectangles and polygons into our projects. We have also seen the existing options that modify the way these geometries are created.